Alrighty, I have an official statement from Grace Peacock at Canada's Wonderland on what is happening with the mighty Canadian Minebuster at Canada's Wonderland. So I'm going to read out the statement as is. As part of our ongoing rides maintenance program, we are replacing 960 feet 276 meters of track on our wooden roller coaster, Mighty Canadian Minebuster, and installing a vertical engineered track system. This innovative approach from the Gravity Group uses vertically stacked lumber instead of horizontal plywood under the layers of steel, promising a stronger track system, a smoother ride, and a better experience for our guests overall. So it is confirmed that this is the Gravity Group's vertically stacked lumber system, and they are in the process of doing that on Mighty Canadian Minebuster right now. As you can see on this footage, they are completely reprofiling those airtime hills and the track to provide a smoother experience. How that'll turn out is I'm predicting probably 3 airtime hills, but they're going to be really smoothed out airtime hills. They're not going to be like the aggressive ones we've seen before. You're not going to see that original airtime hill that we saw on Minebuster back in the day. They're going to be 3 smoothed out airtime hills, maybe with some angles added in there as well. But we'll be able to tell more as they reprofile more of these hills. So it's a little early on to tell what that's going to look like. But as soon as that yellow pine is put in, the cross beams, we'll be able to tell the profiling of Mighty Canadian Minebuster as well. Now, this is the first half, so it is confirmed by the park that only 960 feet is getting done this season right now, this off-season. So hopefully that continues into the next off-season, the 2025-2026 off-season. And we'll be able to, have that helix done and the return done as well. So I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys are as well. It's awesome that the park has confirmed to us that this is Gravity Group, and it's definitely some reprofiling with that vertically stacked lumber. So comment down below what you think. Are you excited for Mighty Canadian Minebuster in 2025, or are you waiting for the 2026 renovation of it to complete it? Thanks so much for watching and supporting our channel. Don't forget to head on over to Patreon to watch our daily updates and to be in the know of what's going on at Canada's Wonderland outside of Alpine Fury and Minebuster. Anyways, have a good one, guys. Bye.